If you live in an apartment, a semi-detached or terrace property, or even a detached property, this is one of the most popular noise problems that comes my way. It is toilet noises, toilet gushing noises. If you watch to the end, I'll show you how to reduce this noise in your home. For other detached properties, people are embarrassed to have their friends around because they can hear them walk around upstairs. They can tell whether they've washed their hands or not. Some homeowners are laying in bed and they can hear their neighbours get up in the middle of the night and go to the toilet. That's right, they're hearing their neighbours through the separating party wall go to the toilet, and they're hearing that toilet gushing noise. They're hearing the toilet gushing noise because they're hearing it down that waste pipe, which is amplifying as it goes through the pipe, and then the boxing in amplifies the sound into the structure. So very important to treat those waste pipes correctly. Is you need to sound deaden the pipe with a 10 kg per meter squared tech sound. This will reduce the impact noise or the structural borne noises transmitted up and down the pipe. It'll also treat some of those airborne noises. After you've done that, fill the hollow void with an RW3 rock wall and then box in the waste pipe with a 15mm sound block board using 1 or 2 layers depending on how much space you have. If you found this video useful, you might want to click the link in the bio or follow for more useful tips on how to reduce noise in your home.